Alright, man, it's your boy Aristotle, Art with the Rari, and we in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, right? So what I'm about to do is I'm about to meet with my boy Mike, meet with my boy Midas, and we just fellowshipping as men, coming out here to spend time, because we do so well with trading. We the best at swing trading, best day trading shack. So, you know, it's time that we as men get together and celebrate this brotherhood that we have of just being able to be free and make money and retire ourselves at such a young age. Yeah. So you trade now still?
I still trade. I just take like a couple of times a week, but it's so bearish, and I'm more of a bull.
What's up, bro? How's it going, man? What's up, bro?
And how random is this? You randomly here? Like, how did it happen?
And look, we did that where? In DR.
In the Dominican Republic, bro.
In DR,
There's nothing better than making money while on vacation. It pays for your
fact.
vacation.
I made like 5K off HAL.
We're making too much money in the market, even when it's down. Let's fucking go. New year, 2025. Let's
25, you know what the fuck going on, man. Stop playing. So y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Aristotle, Art with the Rari. I'm with my main guys, man. We in the building, business partners. We got Mike and we got Midas. What's happening, y'all?
go. Man, we're in the Dominican Republic living life. We're making so much money in the market, even when it's down, that we just decided to come out here, have a nice few days, you know, just to ourselves and kill it as usual.
Getting semi-drunk, getting nice, semi. I mean, believe everything I say, but I can still get lit.
Hey, check us out, though. We got the Dom. We got the little going on, y'all. Yeah. Mojito, yes, sir. Whatever, yeah. That's my Spanish.
Say that again?
Yeah.
Say that again?
Are you into Bitcoin now, Mike?
No,
Still not into
I'm still
it?
not.
Why not?
Because it's not backed by anything. There's no reason against it, but I know a lot of people who have made millions from it.
Right.
But there's nothing saying fundamentally that I could get in Bitcoin at 80,000 and it goes to zero.
But
What prevents that from happening?
no, but
It's not a company. It's not reporting profits.
Yeah, but it's
what's
still-
preventing that from happening?
it still respects technicals.
I understand
It's
that,
still
but
restricted.
there's nothing preventing that from happening.
Well, what
I
I
went
think
from 120,000 to 80,000 in like 2 days.
No, he did not. He never hit 100. Yeah, he never. The high of all time is 109.
it went to 78K.
It went to 90.
It went to 109.
110 to 80K in like 2 days.
No, he did not. It
No,
went to 95.
not 2 days. It went to
It went to It went to 95.
Like a month.
All right, let me check.
The high all time is not even over 110K. It went to 90. 110 exactly. It went to 110.
77.
Yeah, 77.
The volatility looks like SPY though.
But
SPY
here's
went
all right. Let me explain, because I'm gonna tell you my point of view about Bitcoin and why I think it is a great investment for us, in particular.
All right.
All right. So my point of view is, I get it. Like I would say Bitcoin and Ethereum and maybe XRP and Solana. Those will be my top 4.
I like Cardano, ADA.
And that one too. That would be the 5, the 5th. That would be the 5th. So the reason I would say you should invest in Bitcoin is because it moves your money quicker. It moves your millions quicker. You get what I'm saying? So let's just say, I won't say quicker. It's just like, if I'm buying it on the dip and this thing is projected to go to $1 million, right? Because it possibly could.
It could. Yeah.
So let's just say, yeah. So let's just say you bought at 80K or 78K. That's a 25% drop from the most recent high. We know one day Bitcoin
100%.
is going to surpass its most recent high. And if it drops more, that's just more buying opportunity. I would say load the boat, because once it gets back to all-time highs, which it will one day, then
But what makes it, Like,
Now that's a great question. Now that's a question nobody can answer. You're
what
right.
makes it move?
You're right.
That's what I don't understand about Bitcoin.
Now that I would say is just whatever the fuck they want to do with it. Let's just be honest.
Because
It's manipulated.
Nvidia, for example,
It has a reason.
Nvidia went to 150,
Right.
145,
You're right.
and now it's at 110.
Right.
And I say, all right, Nvidia is trading at 20 times forward earnings, not even current earnings, 20 times forward earnings. It's a cheap valuation. Let me get some stock because I know that Nvidia is going to make more money
Right.
in the long term.
Right.
Right? What makes Bitcoin move?
It's
the way
backed
that
by
Nvidia moves?
big money. Bitcoin is backed by. Let me tell you this.
It's a decentralized currency that they're just trying to use. It's like a made up currency. In my opinion, if I had to explain Bitcoin, it's a made up currency that it's almost like a stock that they made up that they can now use to wash their money.
Yeah.
And
That part.
Yeah.
That part. What he just said.
Yeah.
Watch that part. I think
if
there's
they
too
make
many
it tax
people
free, then it'll
with too many there's too many people with too much power making too much money from Bitcoin for it to fail.
Listen, bro. It's like owning a hedge fund. Okay, so everybody has their own portfolio. You're a portfolio, I'm a portfolio.
Facts.
You got streams of income, I got streams. We all got streams of income,
So
right?
you're saying capital is what moves it. Everyone's capital.
Yes.
You're saying
Yes.
the entire market is what's
It's
moving.
what moves
Yes.
the market, big money.
Yeah.
Because people are moving their money from equities to Bitcoin.
Yes.
Because it's safe and you can't really look at
It's
it.
market capitalization.
It's safe.
As its market capitalization grows, it grows. You know?
Why is it safe?
Because it's not regulated like everything else.
But think about it.
Don't you
Okay,
want
El
something that's regulated?
El Salvador
if,
is.
if it's regulated, then
Because here's the thing, right?
you can't watch if
Bitcoin-
it's regulated.
If it goes to zero, you can't do shit because it's Bitcoin. It's not a company. If Nvidia goes to zero, I can sue Nvidia. I can sue the SEC. Do you want something that could go to zero and nothing can do anything about it?
But we're not talking about like hold it forever. We're talking about like
it's
just make money from
I
it.
think it's diversification though. I think like, okay, for instance, let's just say you're a portfolio, I'm a portfolio. Let's just say you got 10 million in your portfolio. I'ma at least put a M in Bitcoin, because if this million can turn into 10 million, and then I put $1 million in real estate, I put a lot of money in stocks. I look at it like that, as like an extra place in my portfolio. I look at my whole life as a hedge fund.
It is.
I
Let me ask you a
got a high
question.
yield
If you're
savings.
diversified,
If I buy gold,
That's what I'm saying. I'm
Right.
not gonna put all my eggs in one basket though.
if I buy gold today and tomorrow everybody stops loving gold, what happens to the value of gold?
it goes to zero. That's what I'm saying.
So if you could buy gold, if you could buy a Rolly, you see what I'm saying? If you could buy gold, you could buy
I
Bitcoin.
completely understand what you're saying.
If
I
you
get what
could
you're
buy
saying,
gold,
too.
you could buy Bitcoin. It's risky, yeah.
I think it's fine to diversify yourself, invest in Bitcoin, buy some Bitcoin, but I would never put my
Full
entire
port? Nobody wants to full port.
That's the part I
Nobody
don't
full
like
port
that
in
people
that.
are trying to explain.
If you have 1,000, you want to make 10,000. If you full port that 1,000, trying to flip it to 2, even if it works, what's going to make you do it? Flip it again. Even if you flip it to 4 and you flip it to 8, at some point you're going to come back to 0. So it's just
Right.
like I was saying, you can't just like go crazy with it. You got to compound gains. It's $1,000. What asset gets you 10, 15% in a day? If you go to the bank and give them 20 grand, they're not giving you back 2,000 at the end of the business day.
Right. So let me ask y'all this. So both of y'all, I wanna talk about really the both of y'all, but also Midas real quick. Let's touch on you, bro. Cause me and Mike,
Yeah, we did enough. So let's touch
exactly.
on that.
We can both interview Midas.
Yeah.
So you ask some questions, I'm gonna ask some questions. So I want to ask you a question. What is your and briefly explain your strategy when it comes to small accounts? Like, and you don't have to, you of course give them the, you know what I'm saying, but just tell me what you're doing and what are you looking for briefly in your plays.
All right, so there's two types of small accounts in my opinion. There's people that only come into the market with maybe $500 or $1,000. I call them a micro account because they can only buy so much. And then there's people that come into the market with maybe 2, 3, 4,000 up to about 10,000, even 1,000 up to 10,000. I call that small accounts. So in my opinion, it is risky at start because you need to be able to build a safe space. If you come in with $1,000, you need to be able to make X amount of like capital or profit to then be able to take more risk. So at the very beginning of building a small account, you have to take profits. Unfortunately, what happens is most people come in and they see some other person post, I made 20,000 in the market, I made 30,000 in the market, and all of a sudden, $50 is not good enough, $80 is not good enough, but they only have 500 to trade with. So my biggest thing with a small account is this: number one, you take profits. If we talk technicals, you only literally have to follow three, in my opinion, three technical patterns. My favorite is a double bottom with volume price analysis. And what I mean is this: a double bottom looks like a W. It's a come down, go up, come down, bounce. It could also be a triple bottom, meaning come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, bounce. The point is, it has to come down, go up. When it comes back to retest the other bottom, it cannot accelerate. When I say volume price analysis, I don't mean, so big money moves markets, right? They could only hide so much from you. They can hide the volume they trade with, right? So we all trade on the 5-minute time frame. And typically we look, these candles that we trade with, we see what happens in the 5-minute space. So if I do a double bottom and I come down from a bottom, go back up and come back down to test the other bottom, this bottom has to come down with less momentum, meaning the volume of the cells have to reduce in momentum. So my favorite is this double bottom. It's great if you have something else like a Fibonacci retracement level or EMA, something else that you put with a VWAP, something of that nature. But my favorite
look is that motherfucking RSI. Is that the
exactly
at the bottom?
Right? RSI 20,
support.
RSI 20, VWAP 0.618.
You know what setup that's very underrated, bro? 200 MA being oversold at the 200 MA.
200 daily.
Yeah. That's a setup,
wild.
bro. Oversold at the 200 daily.
I took a trade on that yesterday. It's fine.
Oh yeah. It's right there now.
It's like today, it bounced to 571.
I took a
Yeah.
trade
And it went to
on that.
576.
I mean, 50% in 3 minutes.
In 3 minutes, yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
So social media, you know, and influencers and trading, it has this kind of it has this kind of misconception that you have to make thousands of dollars every day, which is just, it's not true, right?
Right.
Even if you guys can make $8,000 a month, you're replacing a 9 to 5. You never have to go to work. You never have to talk to any boss. You never have to do shit. You can work for yourself. So you may see us making thousands of dollars in a day, but we've been doing it for 15 years, right?
Right.
Think about it on your own terms. What can I do to just replace the income that I'm making right now? So if you guys are making $5,000 a month, you can easily do that with trading.
I think what's being preached today, especially on Twitter, Twitter is the most toxic trading platform ever.
Yeah.
But it's like everybody wants to be a guru today, but the styles of trading that they're coming into the game with is making it to where people can not be profitable. Like for instance, I see swinging weekly options is the new thing to do. Chase lottos. I got this play for $20. But what I'm trying to tell people is, how long do you think that'll be sustainable? When are you going to stop trying to chase flipping a $20 to $100 to a $20 to $200? You get what I'm saying? Trying to 10x every play. Some people really try to parlay. They try, like sports betting. It's like you only play parlays, then you eventually gonna lose.
Even if it works.
Losing streak of parlays.
Even if it works once, twice, at some point it's not gonna work.
It's not.
Not even that. I mean, a lot of these gurus post, "Oh, I got a Lamborghini." Fuck that.
It's rented.
If you can just replace your income and make money sitting on your couch at home, so much better than going to work for someone else.
Exactly what I'm saying. So you have 1,000, you want to flip it to 10,000. You can't make it.
But people got the misconception. They'll think we're trying to teach people how to get rich. We're trying to teach you how to first free yourself. Then we're going to show you, and then after that point, it's up to you to get rich based on your own risk management and your personal understanding of the market. So that's how you get rich from honey drip. But as far as our plays, think about it. How can we get you? We can hit 10 trades in a row, but can that make you $1 million tomorrow? I went on 10 trade winning streak plenty of times. You on a 33 trade winning streak. But at the end of the day, you still gotta use risk management because of the threat of the loss. I feel like people don't account for the loss. I feel like if you play the same risk management with every single position, you'll not only be able to gauge your wins and losses better.
No strategy is 100%. A double
Yeah.
bottom, a head and shoulders, cup and handle, 200, whatever you want to call it.
That's
wanna
No
win every
strategy is
trade.
100%.
That's
Nothing.
something I have to touch on too.
Go ahead.
Nothing.
It's like we go into every trade thinking that we're going to win,
Right.
but that doesn't mean it's a guarantee, right? So
Right.
you have to go into every trade with the amount of capital that you're willing to lose, at least half of, right? How much am I willing to lose? That's a better question than how much am I going to make?
That's fact.
I don't know. That's just over a decade of
Irie talks
experience.
about this, use 20% of your account in any one position, right? So you have $1,000. What is the maximum you should actually be in any position? Full size, $200. $200 is the maximum you should be in full size. And so what I mean is $200 position, if the contract costs $150 and you got $200 to spend on this one position, you can always take a second entry, is what I think. So we do position sizing. What I mean is we do this thing where we buy a contract, we use starters, and we buy again. If we're trying to go along, we buy starters and we buy a support, right? So we position size. If you only got $200 to spend on this position, you need to position size by going in with what you can then average down with. And if it's bigger than what you're able to afford, leave it alone. The market is not going anywhere. The market is, we're in Dominican Republic, the market is still happening, right? We go back home, it's still happening. Monday through Fridays, 300 and whatever it is a year, 250 trading days, it's always going to be there. So you can't try to be a millionaire tomorrow off of 1,000. I think we all saying the same thing,
Right.
you know?
I mean, and that's the whole principle. It's like, I get it though. When somebody is just joining, patience is a big problem. Everything is a big problem. You don't have any four of the pillars of trading. You don't have risk management. You don't have high probability setups. You don't have discipline or patience. So when you're coming into the trading world with no four of the most strong things you need, because don't you need all four, right?
Yeah.
You need risk management, right? You need A+ setups. You need discipline and patience, correct? Would you say those are the four?
100%.
I think patience, risk management all fall underneath trading psychology.
Yeah.
We call this big trading psychology.
It's not
Probably
just
the
psychology,
most important
it's
part
also
of trade.
strategy. I mean,
You can
there
learn
are
strategy.
strategies
You can
that
learn strategy.
obviously are more profitable.
Yeah,
than
you can
others.
learn the strategy, right? But if the strategy doesn't work for you, your psychology has to kick in and your risk management has to kick in to be like, you know what? I'm okay taking a 16% loss rather than the 80%.
Stopping out is a skill.
Exactly.
That
a lot
is.
of people don't have.
Yeah, like
They're unwilling
I feel
to
like
get
if you master the stop loss, you gotta, like, trading is a real system. So you gotta say, okay, for my day trades, I lose this. But you gotta like stick to it because stop losses are most of the time manual. That's why people don't do it, because you may think, okay, especially with day trading, the stop loss can be tricky with day trading. People be like, okay, I'm gonna wait on the wick here, or I'm gonna wait on the wick here. So after a while, you just gotta be like, okay, I'll take this 20%, 15% loss.
100%. Especially day trading, you have to be very strict with stop loss on day trading.
Swing trading is as simple as playing what you're willing to lose, sizing properly and just waiting.
And hold.
If you go too
Swing,
heavy
yeah.
with swings, then like me, I'm trying to at least make 10 to 50, I'll say 20K a week, 10K to 20K a week with swings.
Yeah.
And you guys see me do that on numerous occasions, 40, 50K a week.
But listen, if you got $1,000 account, please do not even listen to what he just said. Because you're going to be like, oh my God, I haven't made 30 racks this week.
I mean, yeah,
I want to make 30K from $1,000.
But I'm trying to teach people, like, building a small account the safe way, the only way you can do it fast is day trading. Because you got to get in, get out, take profits every day.
That part. Take profits, compound gains, come back tomorrow. You made $60.
We teach that in Honey Drip. We teach a daily profit system or a weekly profit system, an overall profit system. We have a system. It's a difference. With swings, all you got to do is be patient. And that snapper look good.
Oh my God, look
Nah,
at that. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, yeah, mi amor, te quiero, amigo.
Damn, that shirt look good.
Patacones.
Whose shirt that is?
Yeah.
Oh, that's for us, yeah.
Shit.
I just got it for the table.
God damn.
You good? You good?
Excuse me.
The secret word is coming out.
I want that.
Excuse me.
I want that. Yeah. See.
Midas, move your hand for a second.
My bad. Shit.
That's crazy.
Damn, that look good.
That looked too good.
Hell yeah, I'm about to fuck that up. Wait till they bring that out.
Did I tell you I'm pescatarian
Bro, I'm
now?
about to fuck that up. Oh, you turn pescatarian?
Yeah.
I fuck with it. That's why you losing a lot of weight.
It's healthier.
Yeah, it is.
You lost weight?
Like 10 pounds.
I can tell.
Oh, that's a lot.
Pescatarian to get you there.
I get 8
Pescatarian.
pounds. What are you now? 167?
168, yeah.
I'm good, yeah. 168?
What are you?
168, yeah.
216.
216?
Yeah, but it's a lot of fat though.
I'm 175.
I was over
Your body
180.
fat is what, like 3-4%?
Yeah, I have a low body fat.
Yeah, very low body fat. Not me though.
I was over 180. I switched to pescatarian like 3 months ago. Now I'm 168. I lost.
You think I'm stronger than you?
I lost 12 pounds.
I am.
Not even a little bit.
You're 260?
Can we try it?
What, you want to arm wrestle?
We can have.
Oh
What you
shit!
mean? This shit ain't
I'll
nothing, man.
fuck
What
up
you
both of
mean?
you guys in an
No,
arm
you
wrestle.
won't. That's crazy.
I'll fuck up
And I'll
both of
beat
you
you in that
guys.
shit too. And you. Yeah.
You been hit.
Yeah.
No,
I beat
actually,
him.
his
I beat
biceps look fucking mad
him. I
big.
beat him.
If you been hit, you could be a
I beat
hit.
him.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yo!
Damn.
Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
No, because I'm my left.
All right.
Okay, right.
No way.
I got him with that goddamn left though. I got him with that left though.
Yeah.
Alright. He about to fuck me up with his right though. Alright, yeah. Let's go. Oh, it's the left. It's the left.
This is
It's the
left.
dominant.
You want to do it again?
Damn.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh shit! You guys are working. Watch the fish. The fish about to fall off the table.
Shit. My left hand real strong. Like my left hand strong. I knock out everybody at this table with the left.
You know I rep 225 at the gym.
What?
You don't believe that?
He
You don't believe that?
He said, I don't believe that.
He said he can rep one.
2 plates. He said,
I can too.
I can get 3.
I don't know about 3. I don't know about 3.
I don't know if that's
I
rep.
don't know about 3.
I can get 3. No, 225. I can get 3
Oh, 3
times.
reps. I thought you meant you could do 3 plates.
No, man. 225 for 3
3
reps.
plates is double your body weight.
Look at my Instagram. I did 2 on my Instagram.
I think you're cool because you're 167, 225 is over your body weight, so that's impressive. How many people online?
167, 64. Hey, we haven't goddamn arm wrestling challenges. This really a bro shit. That's why I wanted to get us together, cause shit like this, bro.
Let me tell you how I see it, man. I've
ahead.
been with 100 4 years and 6 months. How many people are actually at the job for 5 years?
That's true.
I've been an admin at RG 4 years and 6 months.
That's crazy.
4 years
And you might like 7 years? 7.
How many people got their real-time job that long?
We have the best careers, and I call them business partner because that's really what it is, a partnership. So it's like, how many careers, like, and how many people stay together this long? You know how many businesses broke up? Do you know what our strength is? Loyalty. Because we understand, I feel like what it was before, everything before the money, it was us as human beings. And we were like, look, we just trying to live life, stay out the way. We ain't trying to argue on bullshit. We ain't here to hate on each other. We here to get some money and travel the world and live life and retire. It's just so dope that we, for one, the loyalty and sticking together and not letting, like, bro, nobody could break our bond as a group. Like, they couldn't even.
No outside noise.
We don't care. We ain't trying to hear what you're saying.
No outside noise.
And once you lock that in as a team, where you say everybody who not honeys, you're a fuck them. You get what I'm saying? It's pretty much that with us. He said 100%. Like, if you're not honeys, you're a fuck you. And if you ain't one of the members, we don't care.
What's so funny? I know what's funny, dog. God damn, you got fucking big, bro.
We in this motherfucking honey club.
You just came over, Mike. Take a shot first. Dude, look at the fucking size of this shit. Do half of it. I'll do half of it. Do half of it. There you go.
No.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go. Shut. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Chuck.
A little bit more.
One more.
Let's
Chuck.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Do it a little bit more. No, you almost done. You almost done, bro. You almost done. You almost done.
Chug.
Right in the